How to use Gemini AI in Google Sheets. So if you want to use Gemini AI in Google Sheets, then what you need to do is first search for Gemini. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is gemini.google.com. Once you're on the Gemini, now you just need to go for the Try Gemini Advanced, or you need to have the Gemini Advanced Premium. You need to simply upgrade. Once you've upgraded, now you need to open up your Google Sheets. Once you open up your sheets, if you go for a blank document, then here on the upper right side, you will have the option of Gemini. So make sure that you have the Gemini Advanced, because if you don't have Gemini Advanced, then you will not have the option of Gemini under your sheets. And once you have the Gemini option here on the upper side, then you can simply click on the Gemini, and you can ask the Gemini or the AI whatever you want to know, and it works as the AI. So that's how you can use the Gemini AI in Google Sheets. So to use it, you need to have the Gemini Advanced. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.